how to remove a charge off and get it permanently deleted. We're going to go step by step. Step one, you're going to get a copy of your Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian credit report. You can go directly to their website and request one. You can go to annualcreditreport.com and get your annual free copy of each one. Once you have a copy, you're going to look at all three credit reports. Identify the charge-off and who's reporting the charge-off. If the charge-off is being reported by a third party, like Midland Credit, it cannot have an outstanding balance and say it was Capital One. Capital One can no longer report payment history or that account information because they sold it. So you need to identify, is Capital One or the original creditor reporting it, and or is the debt collector reporting the outstanding balance? If so, this should be permanently deleted. And let me tell you how. You're going to create a dispute letter with the account information from the original creditor, if that's reporting on your credit report, and the account information from the third party debt collector. In this letter, you're going to state, they have violated my consumer rights. I am requesting that this be investigated and these accounts be permanently deleted under FCRA 623 and 611. And under CFPB Regulation V, this is a violation because once it has been sold or transferred, no outstanding balance can be reported by the debt collector, nor any account history by the original creditor once it has been sold. You're going to send this letter directly to the credit bureau's certified mail with tracking information. Upon receipt by the credit bureau, you're going to then upload directly into the credit bureau website proof of receipt of the letter, a copy of the letter, a copy of your driver's license, and your most recent utility bill. Once you do that, you'll get an email confirmation or a confirmation number. You're going to take that information and create a CFPB complaint. That CFPB complaint is going to state, my consumer rights were violated by, you're going to identify the debt collector and the original creditor and state under FCRA 623 and 611, I'm requesting that this be investigated and permanently deleted. And you're going to state what was the violation. They are reporting the outstanding balance. And under CFPB Regulation V, this should not occur. Your desired outcome is permanent deletion of this account. Once you submit it, you're going to keep a copy of the CFPB file number. Within 30 days, this should be permanently deleted, or if not sooner, because you've done everything to get this deleted, and in most cases, it'll be deleted in under 15 days because you've provided proof that they violated your consumer rights. A charge-off is one of the most damaging items that can report to your credit report. With this being removed, most of the time, depending on your credit report, your account and your score can go up by 90 to 120 points. So getting a charge-off removed is extremely powerful and beneficial to your credit score. Now, if you have any questions, click the link in my bio, get a copy of the Ultra Edition. If you have a comment, make sure you leave it. I'll respond within an hour. Hopefully this information found you safe. And if you need any more, make sure you follow and share this video. Thank you.